Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Bank Zimmerberg online banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.bankzimmerberg.ch. After you come across this official page, click on the e-banking option in the top right corner. Here you'll have to enter your username associated with your account and your valid password. After entering your details, click on the login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into Bank Zimmerberg online banking account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.